How to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you were working on a photo or video and it accidentally got deleted, well, don't worry. You can still get it back. And I'll show you how you can get it in just few simple steps. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and it will really help me out. So now without further ado, let's jump into the Instagram app. Once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, here at the top right corner you can see the three dash icon. So simply tap on that. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. And now here simply tap on the option labeled as Account Center. And after that, in the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Your Information and Permissions. And here on the new page, simply tap on Download Your Information. And once you do that, you simply have to tap on Download or Transfer Your Information button. And after that, you have to choose the Instagram account. And now on the next page, instead of selecting all your data, simply choose some of your information. And now here on the new page, simply scroll down and select media, because this includes your photos and videos. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap on next. And after that, choose to download to your device. And for the date range, simply select last week or all time if needed. And select the media quality to high instead of medium. And once you're done with that, simply tap on create files and Instagram will process your request. And once your file is ready, you will get a notification and an email. Just you need to go back to this section and tap on download and your drafts will be restored to your phone. And that's all there is to it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.